Welcome back to Inside the Box. Today I want to share with you some tips and tricks I have on earning Swagbucks and how to earn a couple Swagbucks every day really fast. Swagbucks is a great way to put a little extra cash in your pocket. You can earn points by shopping online or taking surveys and doing a few other various activities, and then you can redeem these points for gift cards. I've been using Swagbucks for a couple months now and it's been a lot of fun, but sometimes the surveys are time consuming and you sit through a whole survey just to find out you don't qualify and you don't get very many Swagbucks points for it. With that being said, I still feel like the best way to earn the most Swagbucks points is through taking surveys, but here is my little daily routine of how you can earn a few Swagbucks really quickly, and these little pennies add up pretty fast. So I'm on the Swagbucks homepage, and what I'm going to do is go over to the left here and find the answer tab and click on it. And then again, still over here on the left, I'm going to click on daily poll. So once a day I can answer this question and I will earn 1 Swagbuck point for doing so. Have you ever mowed a lawn? And it's a different question every day. Yes, I've definitely mowed lawns many times. Woo, I just earned a Swagbuck point and I didn't have to sit through a 10-minute survey to just get told, oh, you didn't qualify and here's 1 point. So I earned that really fast. The next thing I want to do is go up to the search bar and type in print coupons. And I'm going to click on the print plus earn plus save. And I can earn up to 50 Swagbucks a day by printing coupons. So you have a maximum of 50 coupons you can print every day that are eligible to earn Swagbucks. And you can also redeem your coupons. And for each coupon you redeem, you earn 25 Swagbucks. So it takes 1 business day to see the Swagbucks you earn from clipping coupons, and it can take up to 12 weeks to see the Swagbucks you get from redeeming coupons. But if I scroll down to the bottom here, there is a button that says clip all, and I'm going to click it, and I've clipped 19 coupons. So there wasn't 50 available for me to clip, but that was really fast 19 Swagbucks in my pocket. So I'm going to hit print coupons. So at this point, some people just cancel and you get the Swagbucks anyway, but I do like to redeem the coupons I clip. So I'm going to save them to a PDF because I don't want to waste the ink to print a bunch of coupons I'm not going to use. So I save them to a PDF, and then when I'm ready to go shopping, I print off the PDF that I want to use for the coupon. Sometimes when you hit the clip all button for printing coupons, you'll get more than 50 coupons. It'll clip like 100 coupons, but I always make sure I clip exactly 50 coupons or less because I'm only getting rewarded for that 50 a day. I'm not getting rewarded to clip 51 coupons. So that's my little tip there. Make sure you're exactly clipping 50 coupons so that you don't waste some coupons that you could go back and clip the next day. So if we go back to Swagbucks homepage, I'm going to go over to left again and hit discover. So if you haven't heard yet, people call these deals money-making deals. It's where you go and you buy something, and in return you actually get more Swagbucks back than what you spent on the app you bought or the game you bought or the subscription you subscribed to. But I never buy anything on Swagbucks. I feel like it's too difficult to remember how to cancel subscriptions. So what I do instead on these offers is I go down to the most recent offers at the bottom here, and I'm going to click on view all. So once you get to this page, you need to scroll all the way down to make sure it loads completely. And then my biggest trick is you hit Control F on your keyboard to bring up this little find bar here, and you're going to type in the word click. So I can filter through this list really fast to find all the offers that let me just click and earn Swagbucks. On these, I just have to click and visit a website. I don't have to sign up for anything. I don't have to buy anything. It's just click, earn 2 Swagbucks. It'll open a new page. I don't have to put in my email address. I just close this and I'll get my 2 Swagbucks. Now, the trick here is this offer may only be redeemed once per user. So once you do one of these clicks, you won't be able to do it again. But every once in a while, Swagbucks will put up new clicks. So I've clipped all the ones I can, so that's why I come back to recent offers each day to see if there's any new ones popping up. But another trick is if you go up to your inbox here, you can do the same thing with your inbox and hit Control F and type in the word click. And sometimes you'll have multiple messages. I missed out on this one, it expired. But all I needed to do was open that message, I could even open in a new tab and then close that new tab. So if you haven't done any of these click and earns yet, that's a really fast way to find them with just the Control F shortcut on your keyboard to search for those things so that you're not sitting there and reading through each deal to find one that you actually don't have to pay for. So that's one of my speedy tricks on Swagbucks. Okay, I'm back on the home page again, and I'm going to go to answer this time. Okay, so I'm on the surveys page, and I'm going to scroll down, and over here on the right, you'll see your survey profile earn 2 Swagbucks for every 10 questions. So these are really simple questions that don't take very long to go through. So it's just a really quick way to earn 2 Swagbucks versus sitting through a survey for 10 minutes and then finding out you're disqualified. So that's another area that I would look if you're trying to earn Swagbucks really quickly in one day. Another thing you'll notice on this page is you can upload receipts to earn Swagbucks as well, whether that's a physical receipt from a clothing store or the Hallmark store, or if you made a purchase online, you just email them a receipt. It's pretty simple. Anytime I'm done grocery shopping or if we order pizza, I take a picture of that receipt and I get 2 Swagbucks, and it's pretty fast. And then on top of that, if the receipt from the grocery store has specific items, I can get even more Swagbucks. And I'll show you that here. If I go back to the home page and then go down to the left to in-store deals. So here's another place you can upload a receipt. I can add things to my shopping list over here on the right. And if I upload a receipt to my shopping list and items match up, I can earn Swagbuck points. For example, if I bought these caramels, I could get 150 points. If I bought this challenge butter, I could get 40 points. If I bought this salsa, I could get 50 points. So I don't go to the store just specifically to buy things off this list. I usually bring my list home and then I compare this add to list items. And if I had anything that I normally would have bought, I'm going to get extra Swagbuck points for it. So I would say just shop like normal and always compare your list to the list over here and see if you can get any Swagbuck points back for the items you've purchased. Now I want to talk about the swag button next. I'd love to do a tutorial on how to download this. If you guys want that, let me know in the comments below. But I've already downloaded the Swagbuck extension. I have a referral link in the description box below. If you have not downloaded this yet and you would like to, this also helps me earn a few more Swagbucks, so thank you very much if you use my link. So I'm going to come up here to this puzzle piece where I have my Chrome extensions. I'm going to click on Swagbucks. And I'm going to click on the swag code. So this lets me check now to see if there's any swag codes available. And right now there isn't, but I can insert a video clip right here of what it looks like if there is. So I'm going to click on check now and I see that there is a swag code, and so I'm going to click the go now button. And then I'm just going to simply copy and paste this code into the swag button. You can also put it in the swag code box on the website or in the mobile app, but I'm just going to go back up to the top and paste it in the swag button. And then redeem my swag code. And then I got 3 Swagbucks just for doing that. Now if I'm shopping, I talk a lot about eBay on my channel, so if I just go to eBay and shop, you'll notice 1% cash back has been activated. So anything that I buy off of eBay, I'll get 1% cash back in that in Swagbuck points. It does take a while for those points to actually hit your Swagbucks account, but eventually I can redeem them for gift cards or cash to PayPal account. So it's just a great way to earn a few cents while I'm shopping anyway. Swagbucks will also let you know if there are any coupons available when you go to checkout. So if I go to my checkout here on eBay, and then if I click my swag button Chrome extension, you'll notice there is one coupon available if I were to buy a watch or something. So you can check that out on any website you shop on online to see if there are any coupons Swagbucks knows about or if they offer this cashback deal. Also, with the swag button, if I'm just searching Walmart.com, this little reminder will pop up on any website that I shop that has an affiliate with Swagbucks to get up to 2% cash back. And I just click on that, and now my 2% cash back has been activated. So now whatever I buy at Walmart, I'll get 2% cash back of that in Swagbucks. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you guys is Swaggo Live. And this is like a giant bingo board. I'm going to join now. And if you fill up the whole board, if you accomplish all the tasks, you get 500 Swagbucks, or different things for each row. So you can go through here and see which one of these you're comfortable doing. I've never gotten the full board because some of these have you sign up for something or buy an app. I don't want to really pay any money into Swagbucks. I just earn the most I can without signing up for subscriptions or anything. So usually when I do a row, it's not worth that much. Usually it's something like the one for 20 Swagbucks because it doesn't require you to do that much. But that's another quick way to do Swagbucks. So those are all ways you can earn some Swagbucks without taking any surveys. And it's not a ton of Swagbucks, but the amount of time it took me to do all these activities, I still probably wouldn't be done with a survey. So if you don't have much time to spend on Swagbucks every day, you can go through and do each one of these things. So those are just some of my tips and tricks. If you guys like learning different ways to make a little extra cash from home, make sure you subscribe and follow along with my channel, because as I learn things that work for me, I'll share them with you. Thanks everyone, and I'll catch you in my next video.